15th question is, a stone is thrown vertically upward with initial velocity of 40 meter per second. Taking g equals to 10 meter per second square, find the maximum height reached by the stone. So one stone, we are throwing it upward, and that too they have said that this much is the initial velocity. So u equals to 40 meter per second velocity we are taking. Then g equals to, we are taking 10 meter per second square, and this is in opposite direction of the gravitational force. So this 10 is going to be negative. This 10 is going to be negative. We have to find out that maximum height reached by the stone. So how much distance it will cover, that we have to find out. Height equals to distance. So how much distance it will cover by reaching till the top, that we have to find out. And what is the net displacement and total distance covered by the stone. So once it will go up and it will stop at one point and again it will come back. So at that point its final velocity is going to be 0, and after that it will start coming back. From there it will start coming back. So how much total distance it will cover? Once it is going up, so this path, that is A while going up, and B while going down. So total distance if we want to see, then it is going to be A plus B while going till the top and coming down. So total distance is going to be A and B. So we are going to find out here total distance, and then we are going to multiply it with 2. So the total, how much distance it will cover by reaching till the top and then again coming back, that we can calculate through that. Now net displacement. So once we will find out this, we will discuss about the displacement. So let us find out first how much distance it is covering when it is reaching till the top. So let us note down what all things we have. U equals to 40 meter per second. V equals to, we will get here 0. When it is reaching till the top, its final velocity is 0. S, we have to find out that how much distance it will cover, and G, as they said, we are going to take 10, and that too minus because it is going against the gravitational force. Now let us write equation that V square minus U square equals to 2AS. Now A we are taking equals to G because that is acceleration due to gravity. So V is going to be 0 minus 40 square equals to 2 into minus 10 into S. So 40 square is 1600, and that to minus, here we are going to get minus 20 into S. S equals to, we will get 1600 divided by 20, and this term is going to be positive because both side negative sign is there. So we will get here 80. Now S equals to 80 meter. That much distance it will travel when it will reach till the top. So when it comes back, so how much distance it will travel total? So total distance equals to 80 plus 80. So equals to 160 meter it will travel. When it is going up and down, it is traveling total 160 meter. Now about net displacement. Now what is the meaning of displacement? Displacement means the object has started the journey from the point, that is initial point, and then it comes back, and when its journey ends, that will be the final point. But here the initial point and final point are same. So whatever displacement is there, that is a 0. We have already learned this in chapter 8, that in this situation, when the object starting point and ending point is same, in that case the total displacement is going to be 0. So here also, from where we are throwing the stone, it comes back to the same place, original place. So here net displacement is going to be 0 to 0 because its starting point and final point is same. So that's why net displacement is 0, whereas the total distance covered by the object is 160 meter. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.